Hello everybody, welcome to our video on how to download and play AnyMobile on your PC or laptop. As you can see, I have opened my Google browser for the first step and then we will tick in AnyMobile. Tick it in and there you can see a lot of information, but we will skip that and scroll a little bit down to the Steam link. You also can click on the official Game Makers link, but we will go to Steam. After that, they will show us a video about this game, some screenshots. Just check it out if you like this game. Also read some information about this game. And after that we will scroll all the way down to the system requirements. Here you can see the requirements for your system to download and play this game. Make sure it is available on your PC to play. And after that we will scroll a little bit up and there you can see this add to cart option. Click on it. Now click on view my cart. And after that, if you want to play this game on your PC or laptop, you need to click on continue payment. You have to log into your account and after that you can continue to the payment to download and play this game on your PC or laptop. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!